What's going on, family? So I just found and discovered some more Black history books. I'm gonna be going through these. Have never read these, but I'm going to read them. I'm not going to say I'm just going to like speed dial through them, but we're going to start. I'm going to start with Nat Turner for sure. I already read the intro to this one. I just want to go through some and show you what I got. These are history books that was passed down to me from my aunt. Something I can pass down to my grandkids. I can read with them, my kids. We can learn that we have in our own library. Oh, you know we had Malcolm X and Dr. King. So, just wanted to give y'all an update of what I got. Like I say, this is some great Black history. So I'll be going through these randomly, just getting random information now, diving in, getting some different stuff we could use. And one thing that I love about history, because we use it and we apply it to our now. Because if we know what we've been, we most definitely know where we're going, and we'll know that knowledge is universal and history repeats itself. So as we discover these things about history, one thing I will most definitely like to say, don't get bitter, get better. Learn from the things our ancestors went through, what they achieved, what they faced, and how we can overcome. You know, how we can use that knowledge and apply it to now, because it's still relevant, because we're still going through the same type of things, and we can uplift our people. So it's always good to know. So I'm blessed and think it's fortunate that I was able to get this information, and I'm going to pass it on down to my people. So as I learn things, I'm going to share it, here and there, and we'll go through random things about our history to know what our people and our brothers and sisters went through and what they survived. And also in this area, because I like to move around, so I'm going to be moving around, seeing different historical spots that's in the area I'm in, and sharing it with my community. So I think that it's good as we learn, and how they say each one teach one. I heard a brother say each one should teach some. So it's more about just helping one. We need to we so behind with our culture and our history and where we need to be financially and educationally. I think we need to push even harder. So now is not the time to relax. We should keep putting our foot on the gas to educate ourselves, to grow financially, spiritually, mentally, physically, take care of our wealth, our health, because both of those are great, they run hand in hand. So, with staying healthy, with getting new information, with educating, with growing businesses, all of that is essential to really changing things for our kids and our future. So I'm gonna share different information as I get it, and we're gonna learn about some things, man. And I'm excited to be able to pass down some of the stuff that I got, because I got volumes. So I got stuff that I'm gonna be able to learn from off of for a while. So every day I'm gonna read something. So that's one of my goals. So let's make goals to inquire information about our past. If you don't read nothing but 30 minutes a day or a paragraph, let's use that to grow what we're doing. HogOn.